Good morning everyone. Today I am going to share with you a heartwarming story behind the festival of Onam, which teaches us important lessons of love, humility and kindness. Onam is celebrated with great joy in Kerala. But do you know why is it so special? Let's find out. A long time ago, there was a wise and generous king named Mahabali. He was a ruler who truly cared for his people, ensuring that everyone in his kingdom are happy and lived in peace. Under his rule, there was no sorrow or poverty. People loved him dearly because he treated everyone equally. Of his fame and generosity, the gods were amazed by his kindness.
So some gods grew worried that Mahabali was becoming too powerful. So Lord Vishnu decided to test him. He took the form of a small boy named Vamana and approached King Mahabali asking for a gift. Vamana requested just 3 steps of land. Without any hesitation, Mahabali, being the generous king he was, agreed to the boy's simple request. But something wonderful happened. Vamana began to grow larger and larger. With his first step, he covered the entire earth. With his second step, he covered the skies. There was no land left for the third step. Mahabali realized that the Vamana was no other ordinary boy, but rather the Lord Vishnu himself. Understanding this, Mahabali humbly offered his own head for the third step. Vamana placed his foot on Mahabali's head, sending him to the netherworld. Though Mahabali was sent away, he was granted a wish by Lord Vishnu. Wish was that he could visit his people once every year, and so every year during Onam we celebrate the return of Mahabali to see his people happy and prosperous.
Onam is not just a festival of flowers and feasts. It teaches us important lessons like kindness, humility and loyalty. King Mahabali's story teaches us that true greatness comes from helping others and being selfless. His love for his people and his willingness to share others teaches us that true greatness is never ending.
We have the chance to express the value we learn from the story, that is sacrifice. Let us all sacrifice the money we spend on buying and eating junk food to the people who are affected by the floods in Vijayawada. Thank you.